Learn to accept the changes that life brings. When a person comes into the world, he grows day by day in his mother's womb, that is. Changes happen. In the same way, he is young after childhood, and after youth he travels to old age. In this journey, he is constantly changing. Just as the human body keeps changing, so the nature changes everything around us and teaches us the wisdom to change. We have to accept the summer after winter. After autumn comes spring. In the same way, in the life of a person, after happiness comes sadness, after sadness comes happiness. The name of accepting all of them is life. After this, it is proved that the Creator of the world has put change in everything in the world. When He has put change in everything, then the need of man to change himself according to his time is very important. If there is no morning after night, how difficult life will be. That is why understanding the wisdom of change is very important for change up. Because it is a law of nature, just as nature has taught us to change from nature. So we should try our best to accept the changes in our life. Change is very important for your growth. If you don't try to change, you stop moving forward in your life. Here we will tell you some ways that will make it easier for you to accept the changes in yourself. Because change helps us to grow. Change gives us opportunities to face new situations that help us to develop confidence and become resilient. Change makes us flexible and teaches us to adapt to new situations. Change helps us to improve our personality and change our perspectives on life. How will your life change if you learn to embrace change every time it comes uninvited? Change is a way of life. The sooner we learn to make peace with this fact, the better, because if we want it or not, change is inevitable, and sometimes changes need to be made deliberately for our lives to move forward as we ride through the smooth and hard parts of the waves that fill our life. We laugh, cry, fear, and experience a variety of emotions before we die. It's part of living as a human and something we can't avoid. Give yourself permission to feel and accept. Decide when to let go. Create an affirmation. Practice over time. Remember, letting go is a choice. Notice the positive of letting go. Things that can make change easy. Having a clear why. Why exactly do you want to change? Having clear goals. What's your main goal? Breaking down the main goal into small objectives. Reward yourself after reaching small steps. Having an accountability partner adds an extra level of commitment. Accepting change is hard because we are not used to it. It's only hard initially, but as you keep trying, things get easier and more comfortable for you. Change requires a deep level of commitment. When things are going smoothly, you are usually motivated. Always remember this, as nature has kept constant change in its foundations from the beginning of man to his last time. So change is difficult, but not impossible. With a little effort and a little attention, will teach you to change. The wisdom of change is that it is the law of nature, and if a person does not change himself, he stops moving forward in his life, and his life becomes more difficult. So, try and make your life easier. Thanks for watching.